te wā lehi mai rā i te kaupapa i te waiua.
Tēnā rā tata katoa, ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Ko Jade Hohai tuku ingoa, ko au te etita mō te Hokioi, te pukapuka mahine mō Waikato Tainui. Kia ora everyone, my name's Jade, I'm the editor for Te Hokioi. This beautiful publication is winging its way to 7,800 homes right now. If you're a tribal member that's over 55, these will be arriving to your home today, by Monday the latest. We hope that this publication brings you much hope, strength, light, love and joy at this time, that it lifts your spirit, and really we're hoping that you enjoy the beautiful photos and the stories that are in here, because these are our tribal narratives that are going out there for the nation to read and be encouraged about what's happening with regards to the kingitanga, what's happening with regards to Waikato Tainui. Nō reira, kia ora mai tātou katoa, mauri ora.